Okay. Hello, my name is Aswil, and today I'm going to be explaining to you the concept of inertia. Now, inertia is Newton's first law of force. Now, I could sit here and give you a Google definition of what inertia is or make it pop up on the screen, but today I'm actually going to explain to you using examples so you can fully understand what inertia is. Now, many of you probably, all of you probably seen inertia in the real world, but you've never actually knew what it is. So today, I'm going to try to change that. So I'm going to try to explain inertia with in the simplest terms. So I'm going to keep it simple. I got a marker here to represent object in motion, and a notebook here, which is supposed to represent a ramp. Now this might look like a joke because I'm using a marker and a notebook instead of an actual ramp, but I'm gonna try to keep it simple. So let's just start. So I'm gonna take this pen and I'm gonna roll this. I'm just gonna drop this pen. As you see, the pen just dropped and rolled across the notebook. So now unless I was to do something, unless I was to stop this notebook with my hand, or the candle thing was to stop this marker, it would keep on moving like that. So I'll show you. So see, now it stopped because a force stopped. Now this is Newton's law. So Newton's law states that if an object is in motion, it'll stay in motion unless some force is applied. Here, as you can see, the force is this candlelight. This candlelight has stopped. This is the force that has stopped the marker. Now that's the first part of the law. Now I'm going to give you the second part of the law. So now the second part of the law is pretty simple. And so the second law states that if an object is in rest, it'll stay in rest. So if I was to put this marker, unless this marker is going to stay still, unless I was to put some force on it. Now you might think this is a joke, as it seems pretty obvious, but it was a pretty big deal back then. So unless I was to unless I was to hit it with my hand like that, or I'm supposed to use this notebook to smash it like that, the marker would just stay in place like this. That is Newton's first law of inertia. Now, I would like to go into all three laws, but this is like a 3-minute video, and to give you a good understanding of all three laws is almost impossible, and I don't want to rush it. So, yep, this is Newton's law of inertia.